You know your business could really benefit from a great mobile app. Being accessible on mobile devices everywhere can take you to new heights of audience interaction that will improve sales, service, and your customers' overall experience of your business. However, some businesses struggle to find the time and resources to build an app that's simple and effective. And trying to build a mobile site without the expertise or specialized knowledge of what works on the mobile web can be kind of risky. Polls have shown that the majority of mobile internet users would not recommend a business with a bad mobile site, and many have even looked to business competitors after a bad mobile experience. Thankfully, we're here to help. We can help you build a beautiful mobile app and mobile website, optimized for your business's needs, using the state-of-the-art technology that will establish you on the app stores and the mobile web quickly and easily, so you can be interactive and get ahead of your competitors in no time. We offer a no-fuss solution to building you a powerful and easy-to-use app that will help your business shine on the mobile devices of your customers. Rely on our expertise to handle everything from start to finish affordably and professionally. Contact us for a free demo to see what an app for your business would look like.